We've been talking about how to get new subscribers on your mailing list and get them to buy a product more quickly. So turning your subscribers into customers faster. Now this also, so I'm going to show you this method, which will be doing an upsell for a product. So they opt in for the free offer and then they're sent to a paid offer. Now you could use this whether or not the first offer is free or not. You can also use these methods. So there are a couple ways. First, you can make a funnel, and inside your funnel, you will see that this is a page with a custom checkout widget. So we add the custom checkout widget over here on the left when we click the plus sign, and you go under sales, it's checkout. So this is here. So we have put in a free product. It can be a paid product, but we're trying to go our list. But yeah, in this case, you'd have to make it a $0 product in your funnel and put it into your store. And then you would go back to your funnel settings and you'll see that once you add a custom checkout, it'll say add upsell or downsell. And you can make it do in a little pop-up, or it can be a page and you can create. So it suggests how do you want to create your page, or you can make a little pop-up. And sometimes a pop-up is enough, and you can make nice looking pop-ups that give the details of the product and then they continue on. And that can be for an upsell or a downsell. So an upsell will be when they go and purchase it. A downsell will be when they don't want to purchase the item. So that's basically how to add the upsell. And we do have a longer tutorial to show you how to do that as well. Now, what we want to look at, another easy way to do it is in your store. And you can, so once they have purchased the free product or the paid product, you can do a custom thank you page. So you would just make sure you've created the page, you go custom thank you page, and then you choose the page among there. And we've already made a page that says, congratulations, they'll be able to download their product. And then we give them an upgrade option at that point. So you don't have to use the custom checkout. You don't have to make funnels. You can still do upsells with. So 2 ways, through the funnel, through the store. Either way works. Let us know how we can help you out.